Hey guys, this is Amit from Kamcrest NYC. I just wanted to demo a Lutron smart lighting system to you guys. So here on the wall you can see we have a hybrid switch. This is basically a switch that has multiple buttons so you can kind of control multiple lights. So for example, if I hit this little middle one right here, you can look up there. You'll see that morning middle cove light go on and off. And if you hold it, you have dimming control. Various different functions over here. It's called a hybrid switch. Then we have something called a Pico switch. This is like a handheld remote switch. We kind of put it in here. You could keep these loose on the coffee table, side tables. You could have them control shades and lighting, single switches, multi switches. This kind of just gives you a basic layout of how these switches look and feel. Pretty much, throughout your house, whatever lights you want to make smart and have controllable by app and voice and through your network, you pretty much install these switches throughout the house. So here you can see these are the Lutron dimmer switches. You have your standard on-off functions, and then you can adjust your dimming up and down. And this little sign right here tells you it's part of the Radio RA2 system. And here's a mobile switch, which is called the Pico switch. Basically, it runs off battery. Again, you can control single lights, multi-lights. You also have dimming functions on it. Fully remote. Thank you.